The Pfizer paradox. Undervalued despite success. Pfizer, you know the name. It's a household name synonymous with groundbreaking medical advancements and life-saving drugs. They delivered a life raft during the pandemic. Their COVID-19 vaccine was a beacon of hope in a time of global crisis, saving countless lives and helping the world return to a semblance of normalcy. Now, the market's got doubts. Despite their monumental success, investors are skeptical. Pfizer's stock price, it's taken a hit. The numbers don't lie, the stock has been on a downward trend. Why? Wall Street sees a cliff. Analysts are worried about the sustainability of Pfizer's revenue streams. They think COVID-19 profits, gone, vaccine sales down. Sure. The pandemic windfall is fading, and with it, the extraordinary profits from vaccine sales. But here's the thing, Pfizer, they're more than a one-hit wonder. This company has a rich history of innovation and a robust pipeline of future products. This is a giant. They've got a plan. Their leadership is focused on long-term growth and sustainability. Look, I've rescued my share of bars. Turning things around, it's about spotting hidden potential, and Pfizer has plenty of it. Pfizer, they've got potential in spades. Their R&D team is constantly pushing the boundaries of medical science. This isn't just about vaccines anymore. They're developing treatments for a wide range of conditions, from cancer to rare genetic disorders. They're playing the long game. Strategic planning and investment are at the core of their operations. They're sitting on a pile of cash. This financial cushion gives them the flexibility to invest in new opportunities, and they're not afraid to spend it. Whether it's on cutting-edge research or strategic acquisitions, they're making moves. New drugs? They're in the pipeline. From early-stage research to late-stage clinical trials, Pfizer is working on the next big thing. Strategic acquisitions? They're on it. They're constantly looking for companies and technologies that can complement their existing portfolio. This isn't a company fading away. They're evolving, adapting to the changing landscape of the pharmaceutical industry. This is a company evolving, adapting. They're not just reacting to changes, they're driving them. The question is this: is the market blind to the bigger picture? Are investors missing the forest for the trees? Or is this a value trap waiting to spring? Let's dig in. Let's explore the nuances and uncover the real story behind Pfizer's current valuation. Beyond the vaccine, Pfizer's financial fortress. Let's talk numbers. Pfizer, they're rolling in dough. Billions in revenue, profits through the roof. They've got cash to burn and a solid plan to use it. This isn't some fly-by-night operation. This is a well-oiled machine. They're investing heavily in research and development. New drugs are coming. That's the future. They're diversifying their portfolio, not putting all their eggs in one basket. That's smart business. Debt, they're managing it. They're buying back their own stock. That shows confidence. They believe in their own future, and that's a good sign for investors. Dividends and shareholder value, a Pfizer priority. At Pfizer, the focus is not just on innovation in healthcare, but also on ensuring that shareholders see tangible returns on their investments. Listen, when I invest, I want my money working for me. I want to see growth, stability, and consistent returns. Pfizer understands this investor mindset. Dividends, that's money in your pocket. It's a direct reward for your trust and investment in the company. Pfizer gets it. They pay a healthy dividend. This isn't just a one-time thing, it's a commitment to their investors, and they've got a history of increasing it. Year after year, Pfizer has shown that they are dedicated to growing shareholder value. That's what I'm talking about, rewarding the people who believe in you. It's about building trust and showing appreciation for the support. They're not hoarding all the cash, they're sharing the wealth. This approach fosters a sense of community and partnership that shows respect for shareholders. They're committed to delivering value. It's a relationship built on mutual benefit and respect, long-term. That's the kind of company you want to be a part of. A company that thinks ahead and plans for sustainable growth. Pfizer isn't just about profits, they're about partnership. They understand that their success is intertwined with the success of their investors. Investors are along for the ride, and they're making sure it's a profitable one. With Pfizer, you're not just investing in a company, you're investing in a future of shared success and growth. Strategic acquisitions fueling Pfizer's future growth. Pfizer, they're not afraid to make a move. They're buying up companies, smart companies that fit their strategy, like Seagen, a cancer drug powerhouse. This is about expanding their reach, getting into new markets, staying ahead of the game. The pharmaceutical industry, it's constantly evolving. You gotta adapt or die. Pfizer, they're adapting, and they're doing it aggressively. This is a growth strategy, plain and simple. They're not content with the status quo. They want more. They want to be the best, and they're willing to fight for it. Section 5, navigating the risks, competition, patents, and regulation. Let's be real, it's not all sunshine and roses. The pharmaceutical industry, it's a tough business. Competition is fierce, patents expire, government regulations, they can be a nightmare. Pfizer's got targets on their back, everyone wants a piece of the pie. New drugs, they take years to develop. and they're not always successful. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, but here's the thing. Pfizer knows the game. They've been around for over 170 years. They've seen it all, and they're still standing. They've got the experience, the resources, the resilience. Section 6, the cheap for a reason dilemma. Opportunity or red flag. So back to the original question, is Pfizer undervalued or is there something we're missing? The market is worried, they see a decline coming, and they might be right. But here's the other side of the coin. This cheap price, it could be a steal, an opportunity to buy low, before the rest of the market catches on. Pfizer is a giant. They're not going anywhere. They're making smart moves, investing in their future, and paying their investors along the way. Section 7, the case for Pfizer, a long-term investment perspective. This isn't about getting rich quick. This is about long-term value. Pfizer is a solid company with a proven track record and a bright future. They're not a flash in the pan. They're the real deal. They're leaders in their industry. They're innovators. They're committed to improving global health. And they're doing it while generating substantial profits. If you're looking for a safe haven, a company you can trust, Pfizer is worth a serious look. Section 8, your portfolio, your choice. Is Pfizer right for you? Listen, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy who knows a good opportunity when I see it. Investing is a personal journey, and what works for one person might not work for another. Pfizer has the potential to be a home run, or it could be a strikeout. The pharmaceutical industry is known for its volatility, but also for its potential for high rewards. It all depends on your risk tolerance and your investment goals. Are you looking for long-term growth, or are you more interested in short-term gains? These are questions only you can answer. Do your research. Talk to your financial advisor. They can provide insights tailored to your financial situation and help you understand the risks involved. Make an informed decision, but don't let the market's short-sightedness cloud your judgment. Remember, investing is about patience and strategy. Pfizer is a company with a story to tell, a story that spans decades of innovation and breakthroughs in medicine, a story of innovation, resilience, and a commitment to shareholder value. Their dedication to research and development has led to life-saving treatments and vaccines. The question is, are you ready to be a part of that story? Investing in Pfizer means believing in their mission and their future. Are you ready to take that step?